Students, today I am going to start the second lesson, plant tissue question answers explanation, page number 40 in workbook. First question, define the terms tissue, meristematic tissue, dermal tissue. First, tissue. Tissue is a group of cells similar in structure, performs similar function. Group of cells which are similar in structure or perform similar function known as tissue. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is the dividing tissue present in the growing regions of a plant. This tissue present at the growing regions of a plant and it is a dividing tissue. Dermal tissue. Dermal tissue covers the outside of the plant and protects the plant from injury and water loss. Dermal tissue is the act as a skin of the plant. It covers the outside of the plant and protects the plant from injury or water loss. Second question, differentiate the following: meristematic tissue and ground tissue. Or how is meristematic tissue differentiated from ground tissue? So see here, meristematic tissue and ground tissue. These tissues have the capacity of division. Meristematic tissue is also called as dividing tissue, right? It is a dividing tissue, so it has the capacity of division. Whereas in ground tissue, this tissue have lost the capacity to divide. They don't have the capacity to divide. Here they have thin cellulose wall. In meristematic tissue, cellulose wall is thin, whereas in ground tissue, cellulose wall is thick. Meristematic tissue, they do not have intercellular spaces. They don't have spaces. Ground tissue, they have large intercellular spaces, right? Here, meristematic tissue, they contain dense cytoplasm with prominent nucleus. Right? They contain dense cytoplasm with prominent nucleus. Here in ground tissue, they contain thin cytoplasm with normal nucleus. So here prominent nucleus, it has important nucleus and it is dense cytoplasm, right? Whereas here thin cytoplasm, thin layered like cytoplasm or normal nucleus. They contain many small vacuoles in their cytoplasm. In cytoplasm there are small vacuoles, whereas in ground tissue there are single large vacuole in their cytoplasm. They produce permanent tissues and they produce by meristematic tissue. These are the permanent tissue. They produce permanent tissue, and here ground tissue produced by meristematic tissue. They are responsible for the primary and secondary growth of the plants. So in the plants, for growth, meristematic tissue are responsible. This tissue act to the various growths, right? Apical meristem and lateral meristem, or write the differences between apical meristem and lateral meristem. So apical meristem, meristematic tissue at the growing tip that brings about growth in length are called as apical meristematic tissue. What is apical meristem? In meristematic tissue, this is the growing tissue, right? At the tip, the plant grow in length, that known as apical meristematic tissue. Lateral meristem, this tissue present around the edges in a lateral manner, right? At the edges of a plant, and it gives rise to the growth in girth of the stem, means of the width of the stem, surrounded the stem like this, so it helps in the growth of this girth of the stem is called as lateral meristematic tissue. Understand?